Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and in this video I want to walk through a simple trend decision that you can build out in our new auto trading platform. So when you're inside of the platform and you start building out a decision or an automation, you can actually make some really simple decisions that are very flexible for whatever use case you want for your bots. In this case, we're just going to build out a very simple trend decision that checks to see if the stock is above its 200-day moving average or not. So we can rename this if we want to. We can name it whatever we want, and we can also add it to our list of automations, which means that we can reuse this once we build it out in any other bot or any other type of scan or automation that we build. In this case, we're just going to simply start the automation and then click this box here to select the action that the bot will take. In our case, we're going to make a decision first versus opening or closing a position. These decisions, again, can have multiple layers on top of one another. In our case, we're going to select this one here, which is that the symbol price is above some moving average. And you can see we tried to build in a little bit of natural language processing in here to make it a little bit easier for you. So in this case, we'll say, okay, we want to check and make sure that SPY, in this case, if we're trading it, is above or below. You can do whatever you want. In this case, we'll just say, is it above its 200-day moving average? And if it is above its 200-day moving average, then the bot will make a decision, yes or no, and then continue on with the next task. So in our case, if we wanted to say, yes, we want the bot to be above, or SPY to be above its 200-day moving average, and if yes, then we want to open some position, we can do that. If it's not above it, then we can just simply let the bot end and we don't actually have to do anything. The bot will just completely end this decision and it won't take any action. You can also layer these decisions on top of one another. So another thing that you can do is you can say, is the symbol price above its 200-day moving average in this case? And is the symbol price above its 50-day moving average? Maybe you want to check both of those at the same time. Maybe you want a decision that would be made if it was above both of these or one of these or the other, etc. So you can do both of these together and throw it in here. And again, it just quickly changes. So it's really flexible to make these very, very simple, easy decisions. And hopefully this was helpful just to go through a very quick little walkthrough and tutorial on making a simple trend decision with the new auto trading platform. As always, if you guys have any questions, let us know. And until next time, happy trading.